Hello and welcome to our video on cool fish tank ideas. Fish tanks are only not a great way to add life and color to your home or office, but they can also be a fun and engaging hobby. In this video, we will showcase some unique and creative ideas to inspire your next fish tank project. First up, we have the classic rectangular fish tank. This design is perfect for beginners as it's easy to set up and maintain, but you can make it unique by adding different type of rocks, plants and decorations. You can also choose a theme such as sunken ship or a pirate's treasure chest to make it stand out. Next, we have the wall mounted fish tank. This is a great option for those who are short on space or want to create a focal point in their room. Wall mounted tanks comes in a different shapes and sizes, and they can be custom made to fit your specific needs. You can even add LED lights to create a stunning visual effect. If you are looking for something truly unique, consider spherical fish tank. These tanks are perfect for small spaces and can be placed on a tabletop or a stand. Spherical tanks can be made from glass or acrylic, and they can be customized with different type of fish and plants. From a natural look, try a biotip fish tank. This type of tank is designed to mimic the natural habitat of your fish. You can choose a specific region or ecosystem such as rainforest or a cool coral reef and recreate it in your tank. This is a great way to provide your fish with a comfortable and stimulating environment. Finally, we have the ultra modern and minimalist fish tank. These tanks are designed to blend in seamlessly with your home decor. They feature sleek and simple design, and they can be made from materials such as glass, stainless steel or acrylic. You can also add unique features such as built-in filtration system or a remote control lighting system. And there you have it, some cool fish tank ideas to inspire your next project. Whatever type of tank you choose, remember to do your research and provide your fish with the proper care and environment they need to thrive. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.